Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find high equality list on PropStream. So to find high equity list on PropStream, the first thing to do is to log to your PropStream account. Then from there you have to go to the property search tab, then enter your desired location, or you can search for your country, your city, or use your zip code to find your location. Then from there click the filter button to open your filter option. Then from there scroll down to the equity filter section. Then from there select the equity minimum value to target your option. So you can search between $50,000 to $100,000, depending on how you want it, or you can also choose from the whatever high quality means to you. So from there apply any other filter you want, which is the property type, owner type, and all of that, depends on how you want it. Then from there click the search to generate the list of properties with high equality, and after that review, save, or export your list for marketing or outreach, and that's it.